Hello guys, this is TG Tech Mobile Phone Clinic. I'm holding a Bluetooth speaker motherboard, as you can see. So this is a Bluetooth speaker. So a customer brought it. He said even though he power it off, the red light is still indicating, and if it's on, the red light will still indicate. So I'll quickly share this short video on how to solve that kind of problem. So now I will test the Bluetooth speaker so that you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm connecting the Bluetooth right now. The video is not clear enough. Just trying to zoom. You can see? You can see? So even though it's not on, but the red light is coming up. Now let me power it on. So let us see. Because this red light is the charging indicator. Once you insert charger, this is what's supposed to come up. But I didn't insert charger, the red light is coming up, which is not supposed to be so. The red light is supposed to come up when the charger is plugged, but the charger is not plugged and the red light is coming up. So something is wrong on the motherboard. So let me power it on so that you see the Bluetooth speaker is working. Let me connect the speaker. So the Bluetooth is on like this. You can see the blue light is blinking. It's blinking. That means it's on. But this red light is not supposed to show, as I've said before. Now I'll go to the solution now on how to solve this kind of problem. Let me power it off. So this kind of problem, what is responsible for this red light to come up is this transistor here, this IC, this charging IC here. If this thing can be clear enough. Yeah, very good. It's trying to focus. Camera is trying to focus. Yeah, this is the IC here. This IC. The number is LTH7. LTH7. LTH7 IC. Starting point. Once you replace it, the thing will start working back again. So I'll quickly show you how to. Let me disconnect it from the board. So I'm changing it now. I'm using the same IC. The same IC is found on this board. On this same board. This one also is a Bluetooth speaker motherboard. So I'm changing it. So I'm trying to remove it with the hot air. I don't know whether this thing is just trying to make a video this morning. So I'm replacing it now. Now the replacement is bit done. You can see. Is it here? I've done the replacement now, so I want to test it. This is the other one I removed from the board. Can you see? This is the other one I removed from the other board. This is the IC LTH7 IC. So I think it's cool now, so we can now go ahead with the testing. So let's see where is. Connecting the cable of the speaker also. So now the battery is connected now, but the red light did not indicate. Now let's power it on. The battery, okay, so you can see. So problem solved. So anytime you see a